Hey guys, it's Kono here. Well, sorry for not uploading in like 4 or 5 days, but we are back with some Watch Dogs 2 gameplay. I have the 3-hour free demo thing that IGN did, so I'm still using mine. This game is rated M, so there will be a bunch of mature language, so if you do not like that type of stuff, click off the video now. This is like one of the only times I'll be playing this type of game, so yeah. I don't like this kid. He's looking at me weird. What you gonna? Oh.
Hello, we need an ambulance here.
No, you don't.
Now.
No, you don't need an ambulance. I need a car though. I need a whip. Let me just, vault over this. Oh. Thanks for running over.
Get out.
Yep. Give me the car. Let's go. Oh, this is my nasty sports car that I got. It goes fast. No copyright. Let's go. Oh man. See, there goes that ambulance. And we're already over here. Oh, okay. Nah, let's go. I want to cause like one big police chase for you guys, so I'm gonna go. I'm bad at driving. Oh my god. Oh, okay.
Everyone okay?
My car is gonna blow up pretty soon. Go! Oh!
Value on that car.
How do we get back up there? Oh, stop. Now, all I want you to do... Yep, today's your unlucky day. What is up with everybody in this Los Diaz music? I'm gonna wait for the cops to come. Nah, but yeah, yep. Where are the cops at? Yeah, bring the ambulance here. Where are the cops at? When you realize you just killed yourself in Watch Dogs. Well, that could have gone better. And respawn. And we're back. Look at this. Precise, right in the leg. Who's calling the police? Yeah. Oh, boom. No, nobody's taking cover. You got no type of legs, yo. Just because of that? Okay. No! Get in the car. Oh wait, who's killing me? There's no police officer. Man. Oh! There's a bounty hunter! Okay, run. Okay. So if you guys didn't know, there's bounty hunters in this game now. So. Okay. I need to find a nice car.
911, state your emergency.
Let me...
Firing a gun. Where are you guys?
Okay. Crap, out of sight.
Officers
Oh god. Okay, crap. We need a car fast. We'll lead them to go that way. We need a car fast. Oh, car. They lost me? Look, these police officers are trash. Oh crap. Okay, never mind. They're not trash. Get in the car. It's okay. Nope, we're not listening to classical music. Hey, Popo. Yeah, I'm right here. I'm not pulling over. We need to get on the highway. How do we get on the highway from here? And we're on the highway. Heck yeah. These police officers are slow.
Squad, we're gonna circle back and see if we can pick him up.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Going to check towards the east. Back in pursuit.
Squad, found the suspect's car.
Oh, no way. I got the dude through the mirror.
Jesus, shots fired. Squad,
Whoa.
we're back on.
Let go. You know, I'll stay right here for them to catch me.
Suspect has entered a vehicle and is leaving the scene.
You drive past me. I'm never pulling over. These police officers are trash. Oh, that's actually a pretty nice car.
Suspect's lost us.
Oh, cool.
Stick around and sniff him out.
I'll be right here. Waiting. Yo, whip! Oh, I vanished.
Squad, the suspect.
We've got a patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
On foot.
That's a Ferrari! Hope that car is still there. It's still driving. Okay, get in the car, get in the car, get in. Oh my god, you really have to be in the... Okay. Is there a dead guy in here with me? What the hell? Why didn't this dude, you know, let's see if we can find any nice cars this way. I don't know why I didn't like take him out or anything. I don't know why I keep hitting that. I'm sorry. What should we do now? We're on the nice car and turn. Never mind. Okay, go back. Get the. I turned on the sirens. These are some nice cars, yo. Thank you for that bank account money. And now you get wrecked. I need a fast car. Please give me a car. There goes the bus. Oh, okay, they found me.
Dispatch to squad. Be alert. Possible hostiles near your location.
Okay, that's a police car.
We got the suspect. We're gonna box him in now.
No, you're not. Savage off-road. Oh, no, that's a fast car. We're gonna need that car if we want to escape.
I'm going to lock this guy down.
Oh, what the heck?
Come out. You'll have
No.
our full.
No!
With a gun.
Car!
Suspect with a gun.
Car! Give me that car, bro! Go! I love this game. Yo, move, dog. Ooh wee, you guys like this car. It goes so fast. Oh god. This might be a suicide mission.
We're gonna circle back and see if we can pick
Okay. Keep going. You didn't see anything? Oh Jesus. Oh god. Oh, okay. Yo, this is too funny. Okay. Oh god, they're still on us.
Is en route to the suspect.
Nah. I don't know how. Oh. Ooh ah. Booyakasha. Oh. I didn't even mean to do that. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna do one last thing. I want to try one. I want to get like a really fast car and like just I don't know. This game is too much fun. You can do a lot of stuff in it. It's weird. Really nice car right here. Ooh, should we go for this one? Oh no, this one's nice. No. We're gonna try and keep this car, and we're gonna try and drive like a normal citizen. Are you okay? Yeah, like. Shut up! How'd I miss him? That's what you call accuracy.
Get an ambulance here right away. There's been a murder.
Yo, that fat lady's going down. No offense to fat people. I got him? Savagery. Now get in the car and we're going. Didn't I just pass a police car? Boom, boom, boom. Driving over people with my car is pretty fun.
911, please state the nature of your emergency. Someone's been murdered.
No one's been murdered. Shut up.
911, what is your emergency?
Yo.
He's not letting up. Squad, we have alerts of a hostile in your area.
Nope, I'm not stopping it. Too savage. Savagery. The savagery is crazy. Oh, there goes that.
Hey, where'd he go?
I don't know. Where did I go?
Suspect out of sight. We'll do another pass.
No way. No way did I just lose him. Look how fast this car is.
Lock this guy down.
Oh! That was too close. Yo, can we not drive faster than police cars? No, stop. Oh, I don't know what that was. Yo, hunters have joined the police.
What? I got Primate on me too? Whatever you're up to, you got their attention. You can try out running them and the cops, or you can, you know, take care of them.
Oh god, keep running. Oh. Thanks a lot, bro. Ew, look how he left him. Oh god, he left him so weird. Not like my legs are crazy. So okay, we actually gained some followers. Boom. Okay. So I'm gonna end off the game in somewhere nice. So right here would be good. Okay. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy this whole Watch Dogs 2 thing. I know I like it. I love this game. So if you guys did enjoy, smash that like button. Let's see if you can go to. Oh! I'm trying to do my outro! Die. 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 Nope. No. Okay. Yeah, you got away this time. Yeah, you better stop! Yeah! Yeah! Can't a man do his outro? Okay. So I hope you guys did enjoy Watch Dogs. Let's see if we can hit 5 likes on this video. That'd be very appreciated. Sorry again for not uploading, because I'm not gonna let this channel go how the other one did. So I hope you guys did enjoy Watch Dogs 2. If you guys do want more of it, you know, as I said, smash that like button. And Sage Criminal signing off. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye!